Hello, I'm Bocheng. Today I'd like to introduce the optical fiber jumpers produced by our company. The optical fiber jumpers include single mode and multimode, simplex and duplex. The connector models include scupc and scapc, fcupc and fcapc, lcupc and lcapc, stupc. Optical cable models include G652D and G657A1, G657A2 and G657B3, PVC and flame retardant, single mode simplex and single mode duplex. Our factory can customize any type of optical fiber jumper and optical fiber connector. Welcome to consult. Thank you.